have to work together.
I'll ask Edith Norman again. There's been a phenomenal relationship with your country and through your businesses.
Thank you very much. Honorable Chief Minister, it's a pleasure to be here. And the way you radiate your personal energy is amazing, not only in Andhra Pradesh, but throughout India and beyond. And my question is about energy, not just yours, but the ambitions that Andhra Pradesh has on renewable energy. Now, I come from the Netherlands, and I would like to know how you see the cooperation, no competition, we're working together on behalf of the green energy, and how Andhra Pradesh and the Netherlands and other European countries, again, we are working together, we're not competing, how you see this cooperation on the green energy.
No, this is one sector. Europe also is working in a big way for sustainability. We are seeing now global warming, and also we are having so many problems. Even cloud burst is the order of the day now. Some area, one day, 40 to 50 centimeters rainfall. Unprecedented. Never have seen for the last, I'm in politics for the last 4.5 decades. Never have seen. What it means, it is alarm for all of us, global warming. Now we have to move differently. I have seen days, no power. Then I brought reforms. Now I am saying power is available, but what type of power? That is where breakthroughs have come, solar. Earlier solar, 15 rupees unit, very prohibitive cost. Then at one stage, we scaled in a big way, automatic rates have come down. Even panels, we used to import from other countries, especially China and other countries. Now we are manufacturing everything now. I am telling you now, very interesting case studies. Andhra is very strong in solar. We are having very hot sun. In one part of our Rayalaseema, very good sunlight. And also wind is very good in Andhra Pradesh. There we are going wind energy. And also terrain of the area is so strong with water, I can go pumped storage. Long back, 3 decades back I started pumped storage, then reservoir project. Now we are going for pumped storage. And also battery as a balance. I am going for microgrids now. Even substation, I can go generation of power with a battery, distribution, grid will act as a balancing factor. You can name anything. All transport will be EV. Agriculture will be solar. And also you can name anything, commercial industry, everything I am encouraging, captive industry for power, and all self-sufficient. You are having any problem, we will go more and more green energy, we will give it to them. Now we are having ports. 2 projects are coming, green hydrogen, green ammonia. One is Greenco is coming in Kakinada. And also NTPC is coming in Visakhapatnam. They are investing, and also NPTC and also Government of Andhra Pradesh, joint venture. We are going now. What all you are talking now I have announced, Andhra Pradesh will be green hydrogen valley. That is where we are moving now. I am confident the day will come. You will see all models. Huge investment is coming. Data centers are coming. 1 gigawatt data center, they need 6 gigawatt power generation. I am going to supply. That is how even nuclear we are going now. That also we are working. So many advantages are here. So I am assuring you, you also come with your best practices. You are also having an idea of global well-being. We will work with you. And also it is a win-win situation.
Thank you, Honorable Chief Minister. I'm getting extremely strong looks from your office to stop this